Welcome to Be Curious Videos. This video features the small town of Homer, Michigan. Please do us a favor and hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Homer is a small town located in Calhoun County in the state of Michigan in the United States. It lies in the south-central part of the state. Homer was first settled in the 1830s primarily by farmers attracted to the fertile land in the area. The town was named after the ancient Greek poet Homer, known for his epic poems such as the Iliad and the Odyssey. The choice of the name reflects the classical education ideals prevalent among early settlers. Homer was incorporated as a village in 1871, and later as a city in 1877. As of the last available census data, Homer has a population of around 1,600 residents. Agriculture has been a significant part of Homer's economy since its inception. The town is surrounded by farmland, with crops like corn, soybeans, and wheat. While agriculture remains important, Homer has diversified its economy over the years. There are small manufacturing facilities and businesses that contribute to the local economy. The Homer Community Schools serve the area, providing education from elementary to high school levels. The schools play a central role in the community. Homer hosts various community events throughout the year, including festivals, parades, and local fairs, fostering a sense of community spirit. The town is situated amidst rolling hills and picturesque countryside, offering scenic views and outdoor recreational opportunities. With its rural setting, Homer offers opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, hunting, and camping. If you are ever near Homer, make sure to check out this wonderful and charming small town in Michigan. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out many more interesting videos on our Be Curious Videos channel.